Want to go viral without showing your face? Let me show you how I do it using just ChatGPT, Excel, and Canva. No camera, no mic, just smart content. Let's get right ahead without wasting any time. But please make sure you smash that subscribe for more videos and content ideas using AI tools. Hey creators, want to go viral on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok without ever showing your face? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I create viral short-form content using just three simple tools: ChatGPT, Excel, and Canva. This method works for puzzles, motivation, fun facts, word games, literally any niche. So if you want to grow your channel, boost your views, and maybe even start earning in the next 90 days, stick around till the end. Let's start with ChatGPT, your idea machine. Open ChatGPT and type a prompt like, "I am creating a YouTube channel for music or motivation or puzzles." Let's say now I want to grab attention of public and go viral in the next 90 days and start earning. So I want you to generate me a table of puzzles to solve, which should be easier, and grabbing people's. The table format, it should be title hooks for grabbing attention. And body is the question and three options and then answer. So would it be possible for you to act as a YouTube expert and help me generate the required for my whirlways Faceless channel not into puzzles? Try motivational quotes with powerful hooks or logic riddles to test your brain. You can even generate story-based puzzles, visual illusions, or fact vs myths, depending on your niche. Once you have 100 ideas, we move to the next step. Next, head over to Excel or Google Sheets. This is where you organize your content like a pro. Create a table with columns. Title, eye-catching and keyword-friendly hook, something that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. Body, the main puzzle or question options. 3 or 4 possible answers. Correct answer, so you don't forget while editing. Now comes the creative part, Canva. Go to canva.com and choose a template for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, usually a vertical 1080 by 1920 layout. Here's what to do. Select an existing template and start editing it. Tiabas, way you ant like hooks to grab attention, body is the question, and 3 options and then finally answers once you are done. Then head over to 11 Labs and then create a voiceover, and then choose any of the existing voices and then download them and then come back to ChatGPT and then add them to the video. You are editing ADN. Now comes their favorite part, creating bulk videos at once before that. Let's make these changes. Add your question text in bold, large font. Use simple animations for options, slide in, typewriter, etc. Add a countdown timer. 5 to 10 seconds boost watch time. Show options and delay the answer reveal for suspense. Use vibrant backgrounds, fun emojis, or illustrations. Now, let's bring the magic together using Canva's Bulk Create feature. Head over to Canva, click on Apps from the left-hand panel, and search for Bulk Create. Next, upload the Excel file you just created, the one with your titles, hooks, puzzles, options, and answers. Once uploaded, you'll see your spreadsheet data inside Canva. Now connect each column, like title, hook, question, and options, to their respective text boxes in your Canva template. Double-check that each field is mapped correctly. When everything is connected, click Generate, and Canva will automatically create multiple puzzle videos based on your data, saving hours of design time. A new folder will be created with all your generated videos. Go ahead and preview each one to make sure the layout, text alignment, and animations are exactly how you want them. If needed, tweak the font sizes or animation timing, and you're good to go. With your videos ready, it's time to publish them with the right strategy. Here's how to get the most reach. Post consistently. Aim for at least one short every day. Use strong, curiosity-driven titles like "Only 1% can solve this" or "This riddle has everyone confused." Add engaging descriptions like, "Think you're smarter than the average? Try solving this puzzle and comment your answer below." Engage with your viewers, ask them to comment their answers, rolling in. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more faceless content tips.